guys. How's the resolution today? Does everything look okay? I don't know what it's like out here. Hey, excuse me. Do you work for the track? Do you know who does around here? There's a screwdriver on the track. Like right there. So we might want to let someone know before it goes flying. Right there, you see it?
Looks a bit more compressed than usual, but still decent.
Okay. Oh, he's going up there to let them know. So many nice cars out here. See what's around. It's a nice Honda.
Well spotted.
Oh, here they come with the cart, so they'll probably take care of that screwdriver. They'll go tell the right people or something.
Hydro, I get to watch a bit on my break. Good timing. Have a great day. When I got to leave.
You're leaving? Alright, well, have fun at your work day, I guess. Trying to see where the best spot is. Maybe I should go back down to where I was, because then I could go through the little fencing area. Here, I'll go around here. Ooh, he spun out. There's BMW. So nice. Comes another one. Ooh, he almost hit the wall. What's up? Let me switch this real quick. This is probably a good spot to put the camera. Let me set it up.
RV on the track XD.
I know, right? Alright, let me set this up. zoom lens for an event like this. Because the other one that I have is like way too big for me to carry around with me, my Canon one. Maybe I can find another smaller one that's just zoom.
Today, Ashley?
I got here a little bit ago.
Thank you. The stream has been going about 15 minutes. You, Alex. Yeah, but was you streaming before that too? I am good, thanks. Glad you ray a bit better.
Let's go take some pictures of some of the cars here, and then we can go back to watching them drift.
I am woke up late as I didn't realize it was just late because it is so gloomy here.
Yeah, it's all gloomy and stuff out here too. It's not too bad though, because it's nice and windy. A lot of these guys got the mini GoPros on top of their car. Put the live view on it. You guys gotta live stream it. You guys repping a company or a channel or anything? Yeah, AMJ Automotive. All right, well here you go. See if I can get one of these guys to live stream it. This one's got a 360 cam.
What a good girl.
What's up? Garbage Pail Kid's car, that's awesome. The one over here with the black and the gold.
What is up, Alex? So everyone say the pirate for Princess Hall. Hey, what is up, everyone?
He done goofed.
Hi, Mary. Hip hip pirate.
Here comes another tandem.
Take the child molester van out there and do some drifting.
I know. One day. You gotta wait till I fix it up.
Okay, okay.
It's going backwards.
Ugly better long.
What up?
Snuggles for everyone. But now I have someone to face over besides Girl. Hey everyone.
Hey bud!
That doesn't mean I don't still love you, Dro. Cool cars. Than I did last night. Hey Janie. Hey Janie. Hey bro, how are you? Damn, Ashley getting bruises on your back. Well. Dude's public.
Oh, it's all good.
I would want to get in one of those cars. What have you been doing, Ashley? Call.
The only problem is I would worry about my cable getting ripped out, you know?
That's too loud.
Okay, sweet. Show it to me when you're done.
I just finished the linear for Luna, so now I am moving to Falcor as outlined. I prefer to live in separate things. Dying is bad for your health.
True that. No problem. You can go.
Personality, very true, good point.
Spouter. It's a spouter.
4 days for an accidental. Overdose accidental with clothes around it. Photo. I still hope you landed it. That's a good time. Cool.
I'm getting a lot of awesome shots.
Doing better. Yeah, I am still alive.
I did get a sweet video though. I got you. Come on.
It's so funny. Oh, it's on. It's good. Good job.
Trying our best, you know? I do it for the people.
That looks dope. Put my camera and stuff in my book bag, so I don't have to carry it around. All right, making sure we're all good.
You may have to stop and
Yeah, I don't have any cash on me, and there's no ATM here. When I came in, they wanted me to, it was like 10 bucks or whatever to get in, and I only had like 7 on me, so I had to pay the rest with change. It sucks, but I don't have any other cash, or I would totally offer these guys like a 10 or something to take me out with them. Hey, excuse me, what's up, man? I love the car. Any chance you would let me live stream a ride with you? Yeah? All right.
What's that?
I have to use the helmet, right?
Yeah, you do.
All right, let me get this in here. I appreciate it, man. What's your name?
Luke.
I'm Dro.
I'm real nice. Fuck yes.
Oh, yeah, they can talk to us.
Hell yeah, in the beast we go.
Yeah, everyone's been telling me, they're like, go get in a car and get in a ride with them. Let's do it. All right, you guys can see everything, right? So how long you been driving, drifting?
7 years.
7 years? Nice.
Yep, right after I bought this car, I found
Thanks,
it.
man.
I've been wanting to get into it, but I don't have like a place to really work on a car, so I've been waiting till I can rent like a garage or something so I can start working on stuff. I have a friend who drifts in Formula Drift. His name's Kevin Phillips, and he's just recently gone pro in the past few years, and I've been watching everything he does. It's so awesome. Started out with like a 350Z, and it's all supercharged. It was really nice. Everyone was asking about like American muscle. Is there any cars out there?
I am
There's some
scared.
nice cars.
Come on, camera, don't keep crap out on us now. The connection's dropping out inside the car,
Is it?
unfortunately.
Oh, it's probably just the cable here. Let me fix it. Yeah, it looks like I have good bit rate, so we should be fine.
Who's talking to you?
It's the internet. I have a live stream going, so then they can chat back, and I have the speaker here, so they whatever they type in the chat room gets read out loud with text to speech.
Hey, Mr. Drifter, why are you wearing boxing gloves if you don't mind me asking?
Is that for better grip on the steering wheel, or
For less grip.
Good to
less
go
grip?
now.
I have sweaty hands, and these slip on my steering wheel, so I can let the steering wheel go, and it slides through my hand.
The way that these cars are all set up, it doesn't turn back forward, right, when you let go?
It depends on where you're putting the ass end of the car.
Oh, okay.
You're steering with the throttle, not with the steering wheel.
Gotcha.
Just make adjustments with the steering wheel.
And then you have to throw in all extra parts for extra
Right
camber
now
and
we put
everything, right?
driver on the spot, sorry.
Or not necessarily.
This is basically all stock. I mean, I have
Oh, good
coilovers on it,
point.
Okay.
and then I don't have an angle kit. I'm running it stock angle,
Oh, okay.
stock engine, minus a tune.
There's a V8 in these?
Yeah, 6.2 liter. From the factory, they're like 383, I think, to the wheels, and then with the tune and the little shit that I did to it, we're probably 425 or something.
Nice.
And then transmission's built, so it'll handle like 1,000 horsepower, 850 horsepower axles in it.
Okay.
I just welded the diff so both tires turn
Yeah.
at the same time. I just did that
Might have
last
to
event.
mute text to speech while he has driving distraction. Drifter guy,
Yeah, I'll
I'm
turn it
trusting
down when
you
we
with
go
bro
out.
ass safety if he gets hurt. I'll probably just crash. The driver must think you're a weird guy, haha. Everyone be super respectful to Mr. Driver. I go to races all the time, nice to see you ray into it also.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of videos like just working on my vehicles and stuff, so they've been watching me like fix little things in my car.
Yeah, well, no hurt, bro,
But
please.
I want to start doing stuff like this, so I was like, let me go out, check out the drift and see what everybody's doing, what everybody's driving. It's crazy to see a lot of the cars nowadays, everybody's tuning them to like 1,000 horsepower and up. It's
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah,
Ask the
when you go
driver
pro,
his name.
Yeah? You want to say your name again?
Luke_Zuda drifts with a Z is my Instagram.
At him, go say what's up, and thank him for taking us out on the ride. So how does this work? You guys pay like a flat fee and then you go all day?
Yeah, basically the events are typically like $65 a driver. Depending on how many people, we'll put them in different classes.
Hi Luke.
Okay.
He important to me. I am anxious just watching this. Thanks a lot, Luke. Give him hell, Luke. I will give you a follow, Mr. Drifter.
Yeah, thanks guys.
No doubt.
So you pay that flat fee and then when you just get in line and then whenever it's your turn to go, you go?
Yeah. Or you run tandems, like, you know, find a buddy and...
Thank you, Luke. Keep him safe, Luke.
Have you done any pro stuff?
No, I just went to Orlando and
Someone type
worked
his
on
Instagram in the chat.
Was it the
Haugen.
Adam LZ thing that they just did in Orlando?
Adam LZ was the pit next to us, and I was with Haugen Racing.
Oh, okay.
And just helped with the car, and it was a good time. But no, I don't really have any interest in competing.
Keep all body parts inside the car while drifting dorks.
Just put our arms up in the air.
Wait, Mike, just don't.
Alright, here you go. Alright, you guys ready? I'll try and hold this so that it doesn't all come apart.
I am actually crying and shaking right now. The real content king. Woo. Yes, lol, have we taught you nothing, bro?
That was so awesome, man. Man, thank you so much once again. It's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, everyone shoot him a follow and say thank you for drifting with me. That was really fun. Good luck with the rest of the day, man.
Thanks so much, Woo. Yes, everyone follow him.
Say